Why do I ride? It helps clear my head, and I can just put on my jacket, my gloves and my lid and get on the bike and just open that throttle and just go with nowhere in mind and just follow the road. Why do I ride? Journey tells me everything's going to be okay. It doesn't criticise, it doesn't judge, and it makes me happy. It gets me away from everyday stress. It is my stress release, it's my happy place. It's just me, the open road. You lean it over, you hit the apex, you open the throttle, and it carries you round. And it's like almost being hugged in a way. You can just open the throttle, go through every gear change, hitting it perfectly, knowing that you're just gonna just fly almost. Full throttle, the engine revving, the exhaust gurgling, growling, and literally just going up those gear changes is, yeah, exciting. Sometimes it makes me giggle uncontrollably and I feel like a kid in a sweet shop. A completely different sense of adrenaline and happiness when riding in a pack. Knowing that you're all on that same journey together and you're all experiencing it. You've got your individual experience and then you've got your experience as a whole. And it's just such a happy time to be riding, seeing all of the views that you don't really get to see whilst driving in a car. And having a big metal box around you is completely different to just sitting on an engine with two wheels and being exposed to the elements. It's completely different, but it's amazing. Feels like you're part of the family. Feels that you've got that brotherhood, sisterhood, that camaraderie, and you know you're always going to be safe because you've got each other's back no matter what. Yeah, it goes straight through you, especially like, during, it's hard to explain, but it's literally like a beam of light has just gone straight through you, and you can feel that warmth on your skin, and then the hairs on the back of your neck, stand up, but it's a nice feeling, and it's just, you feel alive. The bike rewards me by making me feel happy and free, and it's like a light switch. Everything just gets switched off in my head, so I don't have any thoughts or worries or stress or restrictions, and that's a reward because nothing else matters apart from this moment.